So today is gonna be fun because we are experimenting the Experimotors. Alright, so this one is the Mustache. It's the fourth one out of the fifth one. I don't know which were the other three because two I have it here. So this is the Porsche 911 Carrera. It's a key clip. Okay, this is also from Experimotors, and this is the fifth one. And this one is also from the Hot Wheels Let's Race Netflix movie slash series, or it is a series, I think. Yeah, so let's open this up without wasting any time, right? Oh. It's okay, it's okay. So recently I've unboxed some cars and there's a whole impression video of the NKS and PKS cars. If you haven't checked that out, I'll leave the link below the description. Okay, so this one's out. Okay, so initial impression, this is metal, nice sturdy metal, I guess. Yeah, sturdy, it is sturdy. We don't have the driver, however, on the one side. There's two seats, one here. So it says Mustache, the incredible Mustache special. It says 43 right there. And what does it say? Fatty free? Or what is it? Faulty free? I don't know, what does that say? 40 free. Okay, if that's 40, if that's 40 free and if this is 43, I think fine. So this is the exhaust. At the back we don't have any much detail. On the other side also we have the same livery. We have the exhaust here, no front details. So let's check this out. This one is actually a comb for your mustache. Why not? How do you open this up? Okay, there's a, oh whoa, and it is shaped as a mustache. Now the car is empty. Okay, there's a huge gap between the car. All right, that's cool. You can close it. Okay, that's nice, very nice and loud click. So this is for your mustache, or let me do that. It is okay, not very functional. I think I broke it. What the hell? Okay, this is happening. Nice. I never thought I'll break something or do something weird, but yeah. Okay, so this was it. Let's keep this aside. Let's move on to this one. Okay, this is the Porsche 911 Carrera. Oh, I really don't want to damage the key clip, or in India as we say it, keychain or key punch, or just a tireless car, a car without tires or wheels. So this is here for the very first time. Okay, I've never had one of these. I think in the previous cases it was in a complete metallic color. Okay, all right, dude, the silhouette of this car looks such a beauty, dude. It's amazing. I'll check my whiskey neat. Wow, that's cool, very cool. It says Porsche right there. The Hot Wheels logo is there, and the top and the bottom both are metal. Yeah, it feels, like quality product. This is the clip. On the other side we have the same is this the paint issue? Yeah, there is some slight paint issue here. I think you saw that. Yeah, I am sorry, that song is stuck in my head for like from days. Okay, here is some paint issue. We can see some blue spots, right? The logo is botched up. And what could you even do in such a small space? I guess I can work with that. Right on. This is a very beautiful Experimotor experiment. Okay, a base, it says Hot Wheels. It says Porsche 911 Carrera, Malaysia. Why do they leave it like this? Just a sec. So see, these are small bits that I feel like the product looks quite undone. Okay, the paint job or the spots on it, see, you can't see the spots from here. Okay, right? It's not like you're always holding it closer to your eyes and looking at the spots. That's not the deal, but this one is clearly visible. This is something that they should have looked into, to clear it out. Okay, whatever it is. So let me just quickly change the camera angle and let's dive into it. Okay, so we have changed the camera angle and these are the tube buttes. Okay, just as I see them, this looks so tall and big in front of this one, but this looks very nice, right? And here is the other view of this one. This is how it looks. As weird it looks, but I think Experimotor series is very cool for experimenting things like these. Okay, just like the Art Cras series has its own thing. Okay, and also if you haven't checked out the Art Car video, please check it out in below the like button. Okay, I have left the link there, so do check that out. So see the way see, just look at this. Okay, zoom in. How nicely does this lift the car up, like a jack, right? And again, softly it also, even if you press it down harder, okay, you can see that this comes around and there's the click. I really liked it, and the choice of wheels on this is so good, right? See those red rims, those blacked out wheels, right? Very nice combination that they have done with it. And the paint job on this one is very nice. Literally, it's so cool that it feels more like pretty good job done all in all. I don't know, I forgot what I was saying. Pretty good, pretty good. And next we have the coupe clip. Just a second, let me bring in some light. Okay, I know there is some flickering. I'm trying to solve that. It is because of this light. Yeah, now it's gone. I hope there is a good amount of light. Yeah, there is. So this is the QT keychain that people are going nuts for. Okay, literally, as I was getting this from the local shop. So first when I got it first time in the different store, I just I was like, when I found it in the first time, there was this the collector. Okay, I was showing it to him, see, like, I got it, and by the time I showed it, he just took it, and I was like, okay, I couldn't even say no, right? So then next time again in a different store when I tried to look for some cars. Okay, that time I saw this. I saw 3 to 4 of these. I ordered a couple of them, but I didn't get 2. I just took 1 and I left those other for all the collectors out there. Okay, so this is the Carrera car. Let's do a roll test of this one. Not disappointing at all. It rolls very nice. And do you know, this looks like the Max Steel car. Let me check if I have it here. Okay, I have it here. This looks just like that. I haven't dropped the video for that. I couldn't get any, what do you say, what is it called? Yeah, I opened it out of curiosity just to check it, and I forgot to record the whole thing. So yeah, I've just given a detail on this one. I got those markers. If you want to know, if you want to make me a video on, you know, detailing the cars and all, let me know. I will try that. So yeah, this does a good job on the roll test. Let's check this one. Wow, very nice. You can see that is how it rolls. Okay, the video is getting, you know, a bit longer, so I'll conclude it here. Please get these two. This one you just get the fun, fun of it. Okay, gift it to your dad. Okay, or gift it to yourself if you have a very nice mustache. And girls, if you're watching this, maybe your boyfriend can use this as a beard comb or whatever it is. And this one is definitely, you know, you should check it out. 179 for this one. 179 for this one. MRP. Yeah. Somebody sold this in an FB group for 600 rupees, and he also shared a screenshot of the review of the person who took it for 600 rupees. I'm really sorry for that guy. What else can I say? Please don't buy it from FB groups for ridiculously high prices. Okay, just buy it, look for it, and this will be available on the sites. Okay, so don't worry much about it. You will get hold of it. Okay, yeah, so let's conclude this video. Very nice Experimotor vehicles, and both of them doing a pretty good job. I'm supremely impressed with this one more than that. I have the idea, I'm sorry it's taking long, but the idea of, you know, being this as a comb and this lifting the whole car, yeah, and it also being able to detach it from the car. So you can keep this in your pocket as well. So this is how we will end the video. Yeah, so that's it guys for today. Please burn this image in your eyes, in your mind, and think of this when you go to sleep tonight. Okay, take very good care of yourselves, right? Enjoy your life, happy collecting, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.